Belly's 3-star course is underway, and it's proving very challenging.
Whoa, whoa.
The 3-star course is massive. It covers almost 5 kilometers, and there are 36 obstacles, including a number of tricky combinations. The water jump is at 8, and 10 has 3 narrow jumps on a right-hand bend.
As I'm warming up, I'm feeling like my eye's not quite in. I'm not quite getting the right stride into many of the jumps. She's just a little bit nervous. We're heading over to the start box and we're waiting around to go in, and I get held up because someone has a fall on cross country. When we get held up, it kind of just ruins our rhythm a little bit.
So at the moment, we don't have any horses on course.
She's just a little bit hyped at the moment. Are they ready?
Combination to go, and that's Molly Moffat, another member of the South Island team. She's riding Nahiri Makem with a dressage score of 33.3. Nahiri Makem is a 14-year-old mare. Swing around to approach her. It's a nice strong stride towards that one, jumps it nicely.
Coming into number 5, I kind of saw a bad stride.
Well, your bellies walks over that one more or less.
Didn't really have my leg on, and so we didn't jump that very well at all.
There's also a corner and jumps that one nicely.
Jump away. After 5, I get her going again, and we make the next 2 happen. We get the 4 strides really well coming into the water. We jump over really well, quite a big jump in. Whoa. We're going to number 9, and we jump that quite well. And then we come to 10, and it's like a log, another log, and then down to a skinny. And I kind of came in a wee bit fast. That was just my mistake. Like, I was happy she didn't jump it because that would just be scary and dangerous if she jumped it. So she's a smart horse and she made the right decision, and that's just rider error. There's no point running her because she is a little bit older, and I'd just rather save her legs for another day. I think I made the right decision because it was a tough cross-country course. I wasn't riding that well. It was probably the worst cross-country we've had. But, you know, it's not always going to go well. Sunday, the off day, I guess. I think it definitely shows with the results. Like, only half the field of people finished. So I'm not the only one, yeah.
Elsewhere on the grounds, Will and Alex are getting ready for their final phase.
Today we had the trot up this morning, and we're just doing some show jumping later this afternoon. Pretty pumped, quite excited for it. Just ready, just got to walk my course and hope for the best. Hopefully we don't have any run-outs or stops. I didn't ride him exactly the best yesterday, didn't give him the great lines, so hopefully I do give him good lines today. I'm just gonna remember to pull him back half halt before a jump and get him back onto his hocks before I go into it. Otherwise we'll jump flat and we will get rails.
1, 2, 3, up, good boy. Up, good boy.
I'm coming around to jump 3, cut the corner, and my horse is now unbalanced and we can't jump the jump. That it was my fault, not his, that he refused.
That's my bad. Oh, back. Good boy.
To my last double, I brought him back and we did that perfectly, and I couldn't ask for it to go any better. Overall, I'm quite happy that we got round. I knew I wasn't in the placings after my cross-country, but yeah, I just went out there and had a bit of fun. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed because I don't have anything for a few months now, not until the next season, but it's good. I'm going to start bringing on a young horse and just work on my dressage and show jumping and a little bit of cross country, just fixing up the small little things that we can touch up on.
The course is reset for the 1 star, which means nerves are building for Alex.
I'm feeling extremely nervous. I really don't like show jumping, but Philippa tells me just to go out there and have fun. She's given me a plan and we've discussed the plan, and so we're going to try and stick to the plan going around that course. Are you going to do that? 6.
Yeah, you are going to do 6. Very good. Yeah.
At the moment we're sitting, I think, 22nd, so midfield, but the scores are all very close, so the show jumping could really turn it round for everyone. He's touching quite a few of them, and it makes me really nervous, and you really want to turn around and see if they're still up, but gotta keep going. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Oh my goodness. I'm just so happy with him. I like the build up, you know, coming up to here, and now I'm gonna start crying. He's just so good. That was my goal. I'm just so happy with him. He's so good. I'd say we've had a very successful season. I think everything kind of just came together this year. The trip was really fun. It was a good experience. Definitely want to do it again.
While the competition is over for most, Charlotte still has her last phase to complete. She's in with a shot, having moved up to 9th in the 2 star after the cross country.
So we've got our trot up this morning, our second one, and this is after the cross country to just see if your horse is sound and feeling ready for the show jumping. Everyone gets all dressed up, and sometimes there's a prize for who's the best dressed. I think it's quite fun. It's probably my favourite bit. Yeah, they just hit pass.
The standings are tight. There's barely one row separating 6th to 11th. What happens here will make all the difference.
There's a lot of pressure, but I don't know. Winnie's feeling really good, so I just got to see how she jumps now. Yeah, we're going to go do that, and I'll feel better. Yeah, I know.
Do you feel you're nervous now?
I'm not nervous.
Move on now to Charlotte Trineri, back number 222, who rides the horse CHS Royal Jenny.
Wait. Wait. The course is going really well so far. We have the Liverpool down, and Winnie gets all fired up.
Wait.
I've lost my stirrup coming into the treble.
No, Winnie. No.
No, that was terrible. That was going so well. She's just crazy. I'm really happy with the rest of the weekend. That just wasn't one of our finest moments.
But it's not all over yet for Charlotte. Rails are flying left, right and centre, and she ends up jumping up a couple places and finishing 7th in the 2-star. With all the results in across all levels, Molly is Junior Riders Series champion. Charlotte finishes 3rd and Alex 5th. Jordan unluckily drops out of the top 10 and ends up 11th.
We won the Junior Riders Series, which was really cool. I guess we just pulled it off. I was really happy with how she went this season. We've definitely accomplished a lot, like, as a team, because we started off at a metre 5 and we've gone right to 3-star, so it's been pretty cool for me. Macca is definitely ready for a holiday. Good girl.
It's been phenomenal considering I've only had Winnie, 9 months, Mum?
Yeah.
And I've been competitive at 2-star this season and finished 7th at 3-day and 3rd in the junior series, so I'm just absolutely stoked. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks for a fun ride, NZ on ya.